guys, today we're making Samoosa Chutney or a savory dipping sauce. In a pot, add in your oil, mustard seed and curry leaf and give that a mix, followed by your crushed garlic and crushed chilies. Then add in your pickle masala and your vinegar. Allow that just to simmer for a few seconds and then add in your tomato sauce and both bottles of your hot peri peri sauce. Make sure to mix this in between to make sure nothing is catching. Add some salt to taste and half a bottle of white garlic sauce. If you're using red, add in the whole bottle. Allow this to simmer on low for 5 to 10 minutes. Transfer it into your storage jar and allow it to cool completely. And then it's ready to serve. Enjoy!